In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the music store on Main Street. We're going to draw all the stores in this series. Then why not make a template like this? All the stores are built on a square shape, so you can have it any size you like. But once you've decided you want to keep them all the same size, so make a template out of a piece of card. You can draw the middles like that, nice and easy, and ba-doom, you're ready to get to work. Now I'm going to start by going all the way around the outside, which makes it nice and easy when you want to cut it out and you've got a nice big area to cut along. And if this is all a bit too much for you, then you can go to my Patreon page and download all of these and make them yourself and cut them out and colour them in, or you can get them ready coloured too. There's the middle line. I'm just going to go slightly above the middle line and go straight across like that. And then I'm going to do another one about there. And then I'm going to draw inside it like that. And down. So this is going to be the sign above the store. And then we are also going to divide this up. Now what we need to do is to divide this all up into kind of even, equal bits. So this is going to be like piano keys. You know how people like to do funny things with their shops and stores like that. So to do piano keys, let's draw another line across there so they're all about the same. So we're going to go 2 black keys, leave 1, and then we do 3 black keys, leave 1, 2 black keys, leave 1, then 3 black keys, like that, and that will do it nicely, I think. We could maybe do half a key in there. So I'm going to start by drawing in all the black keys like this. Ooh, we can colour them in later. I think any musician walking along the street will see this and go, ooh, it's a music shop. And they'll want to go in and have a look, see what they've got. And here we want to write music. Now it needs to be a bit longer than that, so I'm just going to erase that. When you plan this out for your lettering, do it in pencil, and it helps you to get the spacing nice and even, and you can spread it out across the whole thing like that. But don't press too hard, because then you won't be able to erase it afterwards. And I'm going to do something which musicians will probably hate. I think, oh no, well, I will do it the right way. So we'll do like a crotchet or whatever it is. Am I a musician? Probably not. Is that a quaver? I'm not sure. And do you know, I'm going to make these slightly jumbled, because I think musicians are kind of wacky like that, aren't they? So let's see what happens. Let's do that. And then we got that little bit there. And I'm going to do like this. And I'm just going to make them a little bit wacky. Music. And then we want the S to be slightly sort of leaning over a bit. And the I can lean over. And then the C can be slightly leaning over too, like that. And then we'll have this other crotchet or quaver, almost like an exclamation mark. Yeah, that makes it look a bit more fun, doesn't it? Music's about fun, isn't it? Now we want to draw a line down here. We need a bit of planning, so I'm doing this very gently in pencil again. And we're going to want to have the door will be about like that. And that will allow us to know where the windowsill will go. So let's draw these bits down here first. And then, and then we're going to draw a line across there too. Okay. So, so I think we need to draw this one first. And then we can draw that coming down. So these are the bits that hold up the door, like that. The door's going to be about like that, with a line across, And this store is going to be number 76, this road, in the road, I think. Then what we need to do is work out what we've got going on here. Find those in the middle like that. Another one down the side. So, oh, we need to, no, let's draw this in first down here. So these are the window sills. And then we can draw one down there and two in the middle. One down there, two in the middle. And then this is the tricky bit. So we want to draw along there and along there. And there to there to there. And then we're going to draw semicircles almost up to the top, almost up to the top, almost up to the top, almost up to the top. And then we're going to draw a little, oh, I don't know what you call these. They're like curling V's, aren't they, like that? So this is just making the whole thing look a bit prettier. And I think we might have a sale going on, do you think? And we'll have some kind of a poster there for something or other, like that. And other little things, lots of little things written on little bits of paper in the window. And then I think we're going to draw some guitars. It's going to be a kind of a guitar shop, this one, I think. So let's draw a thing like that, and then another one like that, and a square one like that, and then a round and down one like that. This will come down there. That will come down. Can you see how it's working? like that. And then here we're going to want to have a hole. So this will be an acoustic guitar. That'll be another one and another one. And then we'll come around and around like that. And then we need a bridge, some strings, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. This one's going to come around like that too. That's going to need a bridge for the strings to attach to. If you're a guitarist, you'll be going, oh, that's a terrible picture. And we put some little tuning pegs in there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this time we're going to come around like that. Now this time we're going to come up and around like that. Just make it look a bit more interesting like that. And here we're going to do around and down like that. And then that will go around a little bit and down like that. There's the bridge. And then we need to have electrical pickups. We need all sorts of stuff going on. It's an electric guitar. Now at this point I'm going to erase the pencil lines, and I know that the ink is dry, so you really must make sure that the ink is dry, because otherwise it's going to smudge, isn't it? And you don't want that to happen. So make sure that the ink is dry, and then when you brush off all those erasing bits, people will go, how did you manage to do that so accurately and make it so square and everything? And you'll go, that's my secret talent. So what we need to do now is we need a window in the door. And I think we'll have a handle about there and a lock about there. And we'll have a letterbox and probably a door sill there as well. And then all this glass needs to be made to look glassy. So we're going to do these little things. And if you've done any more of the stores in this series, you'll know we do all this for the glass, and it's quite a lot, but it's a great effect. And so those signs are underneath the glass, so it doesn't matter that these strips go over the top. And we can also put, you've just drawn these beautiful guitars, And I think we probably need to have a little sign saying open, or maybe it's telling you when it's open, like that. And we'll have some of these strips across there. But because they are behind the glass, we put those lines over these beautiful drawings that we've done, kind of ruining the drawings. And I think I'm going to extend those lines there. And all the way down here, I'm just going to put these sort of bricks. It just makes it a bit more interesting. And it doesn't take a lot, does it? It's just a lot of little lines, but it just adds, it's like pattern. And it just, all pattern just kind of makes things look a bit more interesting. Then all you need to do is colour it in and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and come back and draw all the other stores on Main Street, Inkwell. Thanks for watching. Bye.